Good morning. I wanted to share with you how you can insert some characters into your Google Docs or Google Slides without having to put like a less than sign and an equal sign, or a greater than sign with an equal sign, or a square root symbol. You won't have to put SQRT. I want to show you how you can insert those special characters into your actual doc and slide without having to sort of write something that looks a little goofy along the way. So I'm going to present to you a Google Doc, but you would do the same thing in a Google slide. As long as you are on a text box of some sort on a Google slide, it would work the same way. So for example, let's say the problem was negative 12x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 38. And I wanted to type that in. So I'd write in my negative 12x plus 2, and then I want a greater than or equal to symbol. And last week I had you doing that, which looks a little bit goofy. So if you don't want to do that, you're still free to do that, but I can go to this insert tab up here, and where it says special characters, I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to put, all right, I want a greater than or equal to, and it will actually come up right here. As long as I see the sign that I actually want, which is this one, greater than or equal to, I can click it. And when I click out of here, it'll now be inserted into my doc. Now, for the rest of my steps, I can just highlight that, copy it, and paste it wherever I might need it. All right, so this side was a 38. So for my next step, I should be subtracting 2. So negative 12x plus 2 minus 2. I'm going to paste in that same sign, 38 minus 2. Our next step, a negative 12x. I want to paste in that same sign, and this is now a 36. All I'm doing to paste, once I copied, all I was doing to paste that in there was Control V on my keyboard, but you could also right click and hit this paste. It would put that symbol back in there for you. Now, here's where things get a little bit goofy, because my next step, I'm going to divide by a negative, which is also going to cause a flip in my sign. So I would have a negative 12x divided by a negative 12. I can't paste here because I want this sign to become a less than or equal to. I'm going to go back up here to insert special characters, and now I want a less than or equal to sign, and it shows up here. I click it. It's going to insert it right here on my step, which is what I wanted. And now we have our 36. That's also going to get divided by negative 12. All right, now I want this sign for the rest of the problem. So again, I can copy it. And on our next step, X, I'm going to paste it in there, either with paste or Control V on your keyboard is a shortcut to do that task. And I would now have negative 3. And our steps look more like what we're used to showing with the proper symbol in it. You are free to still put the less than with the equal sign next to it, but this makes it look more appropriate as you go. Algebra 2, or same idea. I had some of you ask how to put in square root, and last week I said you can just put SQRT. However, you can do the same thing. Insert special character in here. Square root is an option. You can hit your square root there. Close out of here. Negative 16. All right, something like that would be a way to write in the square root of negative 16. Algebra 1ers, I had some of you ask, how do I put in the not equals to, where I have to slash my equal sign? Again, special characters. If I put not equal, the sign is right here. If I click that, it puts it in. So for example, let's say I was solving a variables on both sides. I got 10 does not equal 5. That would be a way to put in your does not equal to symbol. All right, I hope that this helps you as you go in and try to put in special characters into your problems. I will see you guys later. Have a good one.